Hello friends, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Aspiration Orchid project, which is located at Naktala, Kolkata. So friends, this is the location of the project, and here you can see the water body. So this is the location. So this way leads towards Aspiration Orchid project, and this way leads to Naktala Garya. So now we are moving towards the project area. So this is the exterior view of the project. Here is the main entrance of Aspiration Orchid. This project is built across 0.50 acres of land and carries single tower and total comprises of 48 number of units. And this project offers spacious 3 BHK apartments for the residents. This project carries G+12 story structure. As you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. It's an under construction project, and the possession of this project will be given by December 2018. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.